Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's look is going to be this beautiful bronze golden goddess look, and I'm wearing my love crown, and I cannot wait to roll out some more videos for you guys. I know I've been MIA. I've been busy working on some business projects that I will share with you guys and some upcoming videos. Maybe like a get ready with me. I've never really done those before. I kind of find it hard to like talk about life and talk about myself and do makeup at the same time, but maybe I'll try to do one of those things for you. I also want to thank you for subscribing to my channel, for all the subscribers who are faithful to the channel even though I haven't rolled out stuff. Thank you so much. I love you guys, and if you have not yet liked or subscribed to this channel, please do that, and don't forget to hit the notification button so you know when new content is coming out. You guys, if you follow me on Instagram, you know I love mugs, and today's mug is Choose Happy. Yeah, so let's get started with this tutorial. Okay, so I am ready. I have my love crown on. And yeah, just to keep my hair back from my face so that I can do this look for you guys. I just want to let you guys know I tried to keep in mind something that I know can be frustrating sometimes, and that's like you see a look that someone creates and then they use like 50 million different palettes, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm guilty of doing that sometimes just because I have a lot of makeup and it's fun to kind of mix and match to make things fresh. But I'm only using one palette and it's super cost effective. I believe it's only about maybe 20 something bucks, so really practical. It's the Morphe, let's see, 350, yeah, 350 Nature Glow palette, so that it just helps you guys to be able to like go get a palette that's like not pricey and that you can recreate this whole look on that. So I've already done my face. And if you want to see how I do my full face, like my foundation and contour and all that good stuff, please let me know. And yeah, let's just get started. So I have been really loving like bronzy kind of looks, and so that's what we're gonna do. And so first what you're gonna do is you're going to take this color right here. There are no names for them, so just when you get the 350 palette, it's right here. It's this pretty like soft brown, and then just take any, you know, fluffy brush that you have. This one came with the Anastasia Beverly Hills one of the eyeshadow palettes. I can't remember which one. So you're just gonna take a little bit of that color and put it on your brush, and then all you're gonna do is put it in as your kind of crease transition color. So just go ahead and place that. Now I'm not one to like work on focus on one eye, so I will be going back and forth. And just do that in a light motion. You don't want to like really press too hard. This is all just gonna be really soft. It's not gonna be like heavy or harsh, so just keep that in mind. Just lightly layer on until you get like a nice little color on there. I have a rogue hair on my face. Okay. All right, and then I've been really loving using my fingers for this particular look because I feel like I get the most color from that. You're gonna take the color, it's like a really shimmery kind of like bronze color right here, and you're just gonna take that with your finger and like get a good amount on there. And then all you're gonna do is press it onto your eyelid. Put it on your whole eyelid. Don't worry about going towards the front of your eye, but just on there. Okay, then after you put on that color, you're gonna take this brown right here. It's right next to this shimmery pretty color, but this color right here. And again, rub it with a different finger, and then you're gonna put that just on the edge of your eyebrow. I mean your eyebrow. The edge of your eye, guys. I'm sorry. The edge of your eye. So just, and it kind of creates like this cool like little ombre kind of effect where it looks like a bronze going into like like a little bit deeper color. It's really pretty. Same thing, that same color. Okay, and then take your fluffy brush again, and then I just want you to blend that out so you don't have any harsh lines. Okay, next I want you to grab whatever kind of little pencil brush or round brush. I have two brushes that I'm gonna use. I have this one, I think was from Wet n Wild, and then I can't remember what this one was, but it's kind of like domey, and then this one is like a little bit more fine. And then I'm gonna take two browns. So I'm gonna take this brown right here, put a little bit on, and then I'm also gonna take this brown right here, and then just go in lightly into your crease with it, and try to keep it on the outside of your eye, like keep the darkness towards the edge of your eye, and just place it there, and then go back into there again and do it on the other eye. And then I want you to blend it out. And then if you feel like you need a little bit more, just go ahead and do that. And I'm gonna bring it a little bit more forward too. All right, then we're gonna take like a flat like little brush, and we're gonna put some color on the inner tear duct. And so I'm gonna take these two colors. I'm gonna take this color right here and then this color right here, and then I'm gonna place that inner corners of my eye. And I like to look down a little bit and like make sure that I'm getting it kind of a little up. It really opens up your eye. Then take that same little pencil brush and take that same color that we put all over the lid right here, and you're gonna put that under on your bottom lid. Now you are gonna get a little bit of fallout, but don't worry about that. You can dust it off at the end. So look, just take a big fluffy brush and go like that, and it's gone. And just make sure that you bring that color all the way to meet your inner eyeshadow color, okay? And then what you're gonna take next is you're gonna take that really pretty brown color that you put on the outside of your lid. And you're gonna take some of that, and you're gonna really keep this on the outer portion of your eye, and it's just gonna bring a little bit more like warmth and depth to the eye. And so because you kept it out here, we're gonna do the same underneath. And it also helps to make your eyes look bigger when you keep like the darker colors on the outside. And you can work a little bit more of that color on the edges. And then I'm gonna take my finger again, and I'm gonna go back into that color that I put on my eyelid. And I'm just gonna add more towards the front just to make it pop a little bit more again, because sometimes you lose a little bit of that color when you're putting in all these other colors. Okay. Then I am going to take a little bit of this orange color right here, and I'm just gonna put that, a little bit of that on my crease. All right, next I want you to take any type of flat brush that you have, and we're gonna work in these same colors that we put here. We're gonna work that just a little bit onto your brow bone. You don't want to go too crazy with it because then it can look like too much. So just put a little bit. And I bring a little bit down underneath my whole brow. I just feel like it makes, I don't know, everything look really good. You could take your fingers too if you need to. And just like blend. I love this eyeshadow palette, and I just love this look. It's just fun and soft. And then again, just double check everything. Make sure everything's looking nice and smooth and blended in nicely, you know. No harsh lines or anything like that. And then take your little dome brush that you had and just blend it underneath your eyes, just to make sure that everything looks really like soft and like blown out. It just looks really, really good. Okay, let's see. I'll put on some mascara, which you guys know Maybelline, the Falsies mascara is one of my favorites. So I have my eyelashes on and we are just gonna finish up the look. So what I wanna do is, I think I wanna add a little bit more warmth to the edge of the eye. So let's take that same palette and let's go in with this like chocolate brown color right here. And you can use your little dome brush and just put a little bit in the corner of your eye. And then I'm gonna take that little like pencil brush and we're gonna take that same color. I'm just gonna put a little bit towards the outer corner, the outer V of your eye. And then take that same little like domey brush and then just blend it out. And try to keep it towards the end of the eye. Okay, something that's a little trick that I have, you know, like if a little bit of the eyeshadow comes down a little bit or you want it to look a little bit sharper, I take a little bit of like a flat brush and I take a little bit of my powder that I use to set under my eye, and all you do is you take that powder and you kind of clean it up underneath. So you see it like sharpens everything and it cleans up under that eye. And just blend that out. And the same to the other eye. Just take a little bit of the powder. So that's a little beauty hack for you. Okay. Now make sure that's all blended out too, because you don't want like any sharp lines. Sorry, hold on, some more my teeth. All right. And then because I like to layer on spray, I'm going to be using the Mario Badescu spray, and it's their herbs and rose water. And I'm spraying this on my face before I put on my bottom mascara because I've done it the other way before, and sorry, I have some makeup on my hair. But for me, for some reason, it will always get on my face. So this helps. So I'm just going to spray this all over. And yeah, whatever I have near, which I have this little Morphe palette near, I just go like this and just fan it out. So it settles into your skin. I love this stuff. And then I like to take like whatever beauty blender or sponge I have, and then I like to just press it into the skin. Gotta let it marinate into the skin. Once that's all nice into your skin and stuff, then you can go ahead and put on your bottom mascara. Okay, then I'm gonna put on my bottom mascara, which is the telescopic mascara, and I do everything in the blackest of black. Now the reason why, you might be thinking like, why do you have two mascaras? I've talked about this before in other videos, because this brush right here on this one is like very like thick, and I love a really thin mascara wand for the bottom of my eye, and so this, look how small this is. So this really helps. So that's why I have two different mascaras. And with this wand, it really helps make your eyelashes really long and pop. So. And see? Now moving on to lip color. I really found this new combination that I really love. Just kind of like a really natural nude lip. I don't necessarily wear a lot of colors on my lip. I tend to go more neutral. Sometimes I'll do like a red or something. But yeah, so we're gonna go in with the Maybelline Color Sensational Shape Lip Liner in the color Totally Toffee. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of, believe it or not, my eyebrow pencil. So I just wanna make it a little bit more brown. And my brown lip liner is somewhere and I can't find it, so I'm improvising. Then I'm gonna take the NYX Lip Color Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color London. And you're gonna layer this on. And then I'm gonna take MAC Lip Color in Naturally Matte, yeah, what does it say? Yeah, Naturally Transformed, it's the matte color. And layer that on top. Now I already have full lips, so I'm not gonna like overdraw my lips or anything like that, but you definitely wanna make sure that you're keeping your lip liner like shape on there so that you don't get like just like a washed out lip. And then I'm going back with that London color and layering that back on top. And this literally has been my favorite like go-to nude combo. And I don't know, like sometimes I put blush on, sometimes I don't, just depends what kind of mood I'm in or what I'm going for. Sometimes I like my cheeks to just be really just, you know, glowy and stuff. But I'm gonna take a little bit of NYX blush color in Amber and just put it on a little soft brush and just like lightly put on some blush, just a little bit. Just to add a little bit more color to the cheeks. All right, and here you have it. This is the finished look of my bronzy, simple eye and my nude lip. And of course, gotta have that glow, girl. Gotta have that glow. So thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the notification button so you know when I have a new video coming out. I am super excited to bring you guys some more content this year. And yeah, so comment below, let me know what you love, let me know what you want to see. And also too, if you recreate this look, don't forget to share it with me on your Instagram and tag me in it so that I can see your recreation of this look. All right, love you guys.